Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We have an unboxing of my Ipsy Plus for the month of December, as well as we're giving away one of these items to one of you, so you know it's going to be a full-size item because that's what Ipsy Plus, they're all full-size in there. So I don't even know which one, I just know the one that I chose as my choice, and I think add two products that I think there were sample sizes that I added to this, so we'll get into that as well. I want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. All my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of December. It is the Ace Beauty Falling For You palette. This is the reformulated one. I really love this new formulation. It makes especially the matte blend so much easier. Mine looks like this. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. Talks about how to enter this one, as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in here in this video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for this giveaway. Ipsy is a beauty subscription, makeup, skincare, that sort of things. They have their Plus. So the Plus is $28 for 5 full-size items, and then you kind of get this little pouch that you can do whatever with as well. You know what, these make really good if you have smaller shoes. That'd be great for that, for those shoe covers when you travel. So if you see me looking down, my notes are on my phone. If you are interested in checking out Ipsy, I do have a code for them. I'll leave that in the description box down below. It'll save you some extra money if you use it, and it helps me out on any add-ons that I want to do. And their add-ons are pretty good. If you do use that code, I thank you. Obviously no obligation to do so. So talking about add-ons, I did pick up the Satin Scrunchie Beauty Kit. I've been trying to get more into the satin products just to kind of help my hair out more. This piece is a fake piece, it's not a real piece. My hair's super short. Not super, but it's a lot shorter than that. So there's 8 scrunchies in here. It's assorted satin sleep scrunchies, are super soft scrunchies that glide through the hair without pulling to help prevent breakage and split ends, often caused by other types of hair elastics. The result, 0 creasing or bedhead, just well-rested hair. So I'm excited that I picked up that add-on. The other add-on is also a hair item from Twisted Sister. Is a 30-second curl spray. This is a deluxe size sample. It's a leave-in conditioner. Refresh and wake up your curls and coils with a multitasking spray. Adds tons of moisture and shine to your strands, helps define your curl pattern, and prevents frizz and flyaways and a few quick spritzes. So I'm wanting to try kind of a leave-in conditioner, so I'm happy about that one. So what Ipsy says about the bag itself is with dainty gold accents on a blush background, December sparkly designs are here to help you feel and look like a diamond all holiday season long. So the first item, it's in a glass bottle. It is Clarity RX Daily Dose of Water Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. It does retail for $72. What? The Moisture Binding Lightweight Serum is exceptional for dehydrated, dull skin. I do have dehydrated and dull skin. The fast absorbing formula instantly boosts moisture levels using hyaluronic acid, which can hold up to many times its weight in water, leaving your complexion feeling soft, subtle, and more radiant. Hyaluronic acid is in so much of your skincare. For me personally, I'm not going to go out, I don't think, and purchase another specific just hyaluronic acid unless it was like in conjunction with something else, because it's already in so much of your skincare that you're already using. I've tried this before, really do love it. This is from Elements. It's their Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. It's $49. Fake Awake. With this multitasking eye cream, it helps revive tired looking eyes with a blend of firming peptides, nourishing coconut oil. Oh, I didn't know it had coconut oil. And brightening plant extracts. Wah, wah, wah. It's got the coconut oil. Not going to be able to use it. So either this giveaway or a future one. From Somme Institute is a Boost Warming Mask. It's a warming mask. Retails for $45. It's powered by a blend of exfoliating pumpkin enzymes, pore purifying zeolite clay, and oil absorbent Calican clay. This weekly treatment mud is perfect pick-me-up for a dull, tired skin. My face doesn't do really well anymore to clay skin. It dries my skin out more, so that one's gonna be a pass. This box isn't looking too good at the moment. So here's a product that I did pick out from it. It is the Verb. I've been loving the Verb Ghost Oil for my hair. Love that. So this is the Ghost Prep Heat Protection. It does retail for $18. It is a styling cream. This light as air cream helps infuse your hair with moisture, minimize frizz, promote shine, and protect hair from 450 degrees with a cocktail of moringa oil and vitamin B5. I wouldn't really use it for the heat protection that much because I don't use a lot of heat on my hair. I'm anxious to try this one. From Treloose Beauty is Intense Liner Duo in Forte and Honest. Does retail for $24. These black and brown liners have a creamy gel texture that glides on ultra smooth and won't smear, smudge, or transfer for 13 hours. So I found out that I am going to Hamilton in a couple days, but they're touring one where it like tours all over the United States, not the one on Broadway. A Broadway show is on my bucket list. I've never been to New York before, so that's like a bucket list item. This is the one that's just kind of come into my hometown. So in honor of that, the secret word for today is Hamilton. So let's give away to you guys those 2 eyeliners from Treloose. I have a ton of eyeliners. I'd much rather see one of you guys use it, and I love it. It wasn't really my favorite box. I mean, I thought the liner sounded good, so I'm anxious for one of you guys to try it. I just have so many. And this was good. The others were not ones that were really gonna work for me. And the hyaluronic acid is just hyaluronic acid. So, I don't know, people. I don't know. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. You can get bonus entries if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB followed by the letter B. If you follow me on Twitter, it's that same, BeautyAmaB followed by the number 1. And if you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. So there's 3 extra entries that you can win. Just fill out the form once. If you did do those entries, mark that you did. Make sure that if you mark them, that you did do, because I do check. YouTube is no way delayed with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. I absolutely love it when I can make somebody else happy, especially this time of year. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. I am then responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have this giveaway go through January 14th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on January 19th, I will take from the forms your first name, first initial of your last name. If you did do bonus entries, and I check that you did, I'll put those into the computer as well. And then we'll all watch while the computer spins. The computer picks the winner, I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day, you guys. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway. Woo!